that red trace. What is that? You mean rat trace?
Race track. Hold on, Mary. Go ahead and bring it back.
Hey, yeah. I'm coming in the car. Yeah. Look at the paint on the car. Man, come on, man. That is the paint.
Hey.
You can't even rank.
Hey.
Your teeth is yellow. You look like jello. Now I told this boy his teeth so yellow, they call it golds. Yeah, they got little toes. Yeah, come on, boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Go.
Yeah, I be freaking right. I don't have nothing to give, but my brother can't come up with something of 10. Yeah. Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Hey, yeah. I see my first daddy. Wait a second, he right there, my ratty.
Wait, you said that was your first daddy? You had man right there?
Yeah, wait a second.
They looking in here too.
That's your first daddy? Wow.
Hey, look.
And I put it in red flag, side full fact. Everything look like a super little late. Yeah, come on, boy. I'm around the back. Right in the back. Yeah. I got an SS car and an SS truck. Everything look Mercedes in my truck. Everything look like a cook. Yeah, boy.